Hello and welcome back to Derek Johnson Photography YouTube, DJ's YouTube channel. Say go DJ, that's my DJ. So today, please don't kill me because I might mispronounce this name. It's the Zhiyun, the Crane Lab 3. Bam, that's what I call it. We're gonna call it the Crane Lab 3, but I think it's the Zhiyun. Somebody comment below, help me pronounce it. Don't kill me. Don't kill me too bad. So, needed a gimbal because, like I said, started my YouTube channel. Need to keep all of my film nice and buttery, smooth, cinematic. So, got this bad boy. Now, they did have a new one that just came out, which is the Crane 3S, and I'll make another video explaining why I chose this one. For one, it was on sale for a great price. So today is the unboxing. So we are unboxing this right now. Oh, but first, before I unbox it, let me show you the box. Nothing's on the side. So lay this bad boy down. Get my pen. Promise you, I think on my next video, I will have a knife or something that's a little bit more feasible to cut this bad boy. Because this is the old school way. Show my age. And they give you one nice sticker. Oh, bam, let you know that you opened it. So you can't say you didn't open it. All right. All right, almost got it, guys. Oh. Voila. Comes with its own case. Nice and soft. For a road trip, definitely use it. For air travel, it's about the size of a suitcase. So it can't fit underneath the seat in front of you. But it is taking one whole carry-on size. So you will click the little lock right here. Then you'll open it. Man, I'm a little upset. We're gonna have to cut that. You seen it before I did. So, nah, I'm not gonna cut it. But haha, you open it up. I'm assuming this is a thank you card. Nah, this is the instructions. Service card. Okay. So it gives you the telephone numbers and emails where it needs to be serviced at. Then you have the quick starter guide. If you don't want to read through this, make sure you watch my next video with the Crane Lab 3 showing you how to set it up. So I'm gonna kind of study that. I've already been studying some YouTube channels. So, but only thing you gotta do is watch my video to see how you set it up. It comes with 3 of the 3.6 volts 9x36 batteries. I do recommend probably getting the second pair of batteries. Batteries is one of the things that you need, and make sure you get rechargeable ones. But these are a specific type of batteries you need to get, so click on the link below to get your batteries. The charger for your batteries. And what is this? What is this? Remember, keep these. Keeps the moisture out of things. Sometimes like fog and stuff like that, keep your stuff from fogging up. So, open this up. Some neatly cords for the gimbal. But it's a great place to keep them so they don't get lost everywhere. Aha, that's something else. Dun, 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 dun. And like I said, some more cords. And dun, 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 dun. Some more cords. That's it. Some USBs, the regular USBs, and some USB-Cs, and some for each phone that you might actually have. All right, so now it's time for the nitty-gritty. The gimbal. It's nice and locked. One thing is that when I show you the setup video, I'll show you how to unlock these. The plate that you put your camera on. And the tripod or slash handle that you screw on right here. Not too heavy. So make sure you stay tuned to my next video so I can show you how to set this Crane 3 lab up, all right? So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. See you on my next video.